Excel Chapter 4, pages 211 through 215. At the bottom of page 211, you need to read about adding spark lines and data bars. The average person does not know what a spark line is, so obviously you need to read this before you go do it. So read the bottom of page 211, all of page 212, and the top of page 213 before you attempt to do this, or you're not even going to understand what we're doing, why we're doing it, and the results. All right, once you have that done, we are on page 213 to insert spark lines in the sectors worksheet. Step number 1, go to the sectors worksheet. In cell E3, always check your name box. So I'm in cell E3. Enter 10-year history. Then apply heading 4, cell style, to the cell and center the text within the cell. All right, I want to center it. And then I want heading 4. Step number 3, select the range E4 through E15. This is a location range, the cells in which you want to insert the spark lines. Step number 4, click the Insert tab on the ribbon, and then click the Line button in the Spark Lines group. The Create Spark Lines dialog box opens. The location range is already entered because you selected it before opening the dialog box. Step number 5, with the insertion point in the Data Range box, click the Sector History Sheet tab, then select the data in the range B6 to M45. Okay, so sector history, B6 through M45, got it? This is the range that contains the data you want to chart in the spark lines. See figure 4-37 and make sure that your Create Spark Lines dialog box matches the information in figure 4-37. Step number 6, click the OK button. Spark lines are inserted into each cell in the selected range. See figure 4-38 at the top of page 214. Read about adding and formatting spark line markers. To add high and low markers to the spark lines. Step number 1, click the Spark Line Tools Design tab on the ribbon if necessary. Ours should already be selected. If it's not, just click on it. The tab contains options associated with the selected spark lines, in this case, line spark lines. Step number 2, in the Show group, click High Point and Low Point to display markers for the high and low points within each spark line. Step number 3, in the Style group, click the More button to open the Style Gallery, and then click Sparkline Style Colorful 2, the second style in the last row. Sparkline Style Colorful 2. The color of the high and low point markers changes to reflect the selection. See figure 4-39 on the top of page 215. Make sure that yours matches. Now, click cell A2 to deselect you can more clearly see that the formatted spark lines use a green marker for the high point and a red marker for the low points. All right, reach up, click Save, and you're ready to move on.